My name is Pooja and I'm working here as a salesperson from past 6 months. So coming to SMR is a construction company which is into market from past 25 years, and we are into like commercials as well as residential apartments. And we have ventures in Bangalore as well as at Hyderabad. Coming to Bangalore, we have various apartments and various blocks in various sectors. And coming to Hyderabad, we started from Secunderabad onwards. Now, currently, we came up to Appa Junction. So, current ongoing projects are at Hydernagar. We have one project which is ready to occupy apartment, and at Gachibowli we have which is again a ready to occupy apartment. And currently we are going on with the Appa Junction project, wherein we have came up with a gated community. Mostly all the apartments of us are gated communities. And now coming to like Appa Junction project, we are coming up with 43 acres of land, wherein we have all the categories of apartments like villas. We have residential apartments and row houses. We all planning in these all are for future development, but currently we have started with two buildings. Advantage thing of this area particular location is we are building here according to the customers needs and taste, with affordable prices, where even a single individual human being can afford this price, wherein the people who are unable to afford more than 60 lakhs or like more than 50 lakhs like that, people can come to this particular place and occupy their apartments. And not only the individuals, but and every common human being can occupy at this particular place. And the major advantage of this location is only even to the common person can afford at this particular place. Individual like are looking to occupy more comfortable amenities they look for. And when you come to amenities, you name the amenity. We have it starting from indoor games to outdoor games like basketball court, children's play area, and a swimming pool. We are giving you a helipad also. So particularly all the major advantages of this builders are we are giving you all the amenities kind of thing. You name the amenity, we have it, starting from indoor play areas and children's play area we have, and basketball court, children's play area. And coming to indoor games, we have giving shuttle courts, badminton court, and we are giving you a small function hall court and a banquet hall. We have a guest bedrooms and all. So probably you can occupy like immediately. We have ready to occupy apartments we have, and under construction projects also we have. Particular venture which is ongoing, for which we are quoting 3,100, which is and also we have started a new scheme for which we are quoting 2,950. Scheme is something where like a common individual also can afford by monthly by paying monthly installment base. Suppose if the customer is owning for 2 BHK, then he can pay 1.5 lakhs every month till 24 months. After that he can go for bank loan. Something where every common individual can come and occupy, just because we give immediate ready to occupy apartments we give. And we have something like you can believe in the brand itself, which says SMR. SMR, as I said you, it's into market from past 25 years, and so we can blindly name the builder. Credai Property Show is something where I can see a lot of people coming in, visitors are coming in just to have a look, as well as to the people who have own interest to purchase the property. Can everyone, I hope personally, everyone to come and have a look at Credai, where you can own your properties by taking your choices.